back to my channel. In today's video we're making blackened salmon. This is actually a 3-part series. I'm going to show you how to make blackened salmon, some sauteed spinach, and some mashed potatoes. So this part will include the blackened salmon. I didn't want a very long video, so hope you guys enjoy this 3-part series. Wash my salmon. Please make sure to wash your fish, your chicken, whatever. Wash it. And I pat dried it just to make sure it was not very wet, because you don't want the water, it will make the oil splash and it will not cook in a timely manner. So go ahead and pat dry your fish, and we're gonna literally pat the seasoning on top of our salmon. I'll put every season that I use in the description box, or I'll actually attach it to the video. And just go ahead and pat your salmon. It should look as so. And we're gonna heat up some olive oil, your oil of choice, and we're literally gonna sear about 6 to 7 minutes on each side. You want your salmon to be very flaky, very juicy. You can pair this with rice, risotto, mashed potatoes, grits. I'm gonna pair mine with mashed potatoes and spinach as I stated. So let's get to sauteing, or should I say searing. Once your pan become hot, go ahead and put your salmon in. Please don't overcrowd the pan, because it's not gonna be a good thing. Just put a few pieces at a time. My portion of my salmon, they're not as big, they're medium thick pieces, so I just went ahead and add 3 at a time and cook them about 7 to 8 minutes on each side. You want your salmon to be very moist and juicy in the middle. And if I was cooking it in the oven, then I would just literally cook it about 4 or 5 minutes on each side and then finish it off in the oven. But because I'm cooking it all on the stove top, you want to make sure that your salmon is fully cooked, juicy, and moist. You can choose to add some butter if you wish in the pan, but it's not necessary as long as your pan is very hot. So go ahead and sear that, like I said, for about 7 to 8 minutes on each side. Sure you're searing all sides of your salmon. You want to make sure it has that blackened flavor in all sides. Receive the same love. And ta-da! We're done. Our creamy mashed potatoes, our sauteed spinach with our blackened salmon. I am going to, of course, upload the mashed potatoes and spinach video so you all can see it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you all for continuously supporting my channel. Bye.